my friend, how are you? I hope you and your family are doing really well and keeping safe and healthy. So today's video is a bit rather late for me to film, but I wanted to do look number 2 for this palette that I'm doing with the 5 Looks 1 palette series. And I thought that it would just be fun to do a look, and it's late at night and I'm going to watch this makeup look right after I finish filming, so I thought we could sit down and see what look I create. The only thing is I'm not sure which colors to go with for this time. But I'm gonna go ahead and insert some music, maybe something relaxing or maybe fun, so you could see what I do and what colors I end up picking. Okay, my friends, so this is the finished look. So I went really simple today, and I thought the shimmer shade, the one called Shine Bright, was not as metallic as I like it to be, but it's still pretty shimmery. It's just not like shiny, the way that I like. but everything else, it blended really beautifully, and I do like how it's very minimal, but at the same time it's yellow, and I could see off camera how bright it is, and I really like it. So far I am loving this palette. I feel like it offers so much depth with different colors you could go with. And one thing I've noticed is that this shade has become like my favorite. This one is a matte with sparkle in it, but in the sparkle it's like light blue and green sparkles throughout it, and it's really pretty. As I was trying to blend it on the upper crease, I thought it came out really nice. Okay, so for a side note, I wanted to say that I won't be uploading during Holy Week. I find that every year I tend to kind of disconnect on social media, YouTube, and I kind of focus more on what I would like to do before Easter, and I think the main majority is decluttering, and I've been in the process of doing that right now. And there's just like a lot of things I have that I'm going through with clothes, shoes, makeup, body care, everything. So I won't be uploading until the first week of Easter, hopefully. And I just hope that if you are religious like me, I am a Catholic, I hope that you have a very blessed Holy Week, which will start on Palm Sunday. And when you're watching this video, it will be on that day. So I'm wishing you a very blessed Holy Week. I hope that you just find some perspective, some light before we get into Easter Day and Easter season, and that you and your family stay blessed with everything that has to offer during this time. So anyway, my friend, may God bless always. I hope that you have a good day or night, whatever time you're watching. And I hope that you stay safe and stay healthy and all that. So I'm gonna go ahead and let you go, and I will see you the first week of Easter season. And as always, I'm keeping you in my prayers again. And yeah, so I will say bye.